Hello everyone, today I am going to present the third lecture based on the complex integration. That is, first of all, I will tell you how to represent the closed circle or closed contour. So, in that case, closed contour or closed circle is denoted by capital C, such that mod of z minus z0 is equal to small r. That is, this is represent the center of this circle is z0 and radius of this circle is r. That is, if we define in the form of a graphical representation, so this is a circle and this is a closed contour C or closed circle C. Closed means if the initial point and terminal point coincide at a point, then that curve or that circle is said to be a closed. So in that case, the center of this circle is z naught and radius of this circle is small r. So this is the main important part of the complex integration when we compute the value of the integral along a closed curve or closed circle or closed contour. So if we taking an basic problem based on the closed circle, that is integrate the complex valued function fz is equal to 1 upon z around the unit circle. Around the unit circle means this is a circle C. Unit means radius is 1 and center is 0. So in that case, the closed circle C defined as C such that z minus 0 mod is equal to 1. So we want to compute the value of this function around the unit circle C. So therefore the unit circle C, this circle on the integration represent the this curve is a closed curve. Fz is 1 upon z dz and this will be 2 pi iota. So second part of the complex integration, integral of integer powers. That is, if we consider a complex valued function fz is equal to z minus z0 to the power m, where m is an integer and z0 is a constant, so integrate the counterclockwise around the circle C such that z minus z naught is equal to rho. Here z naught is the center and rho is the radius of the uh, contour C or circle C. Hence, the line integral along a closed curve C z minus z naught to the power m dz is equal to 2 pi iota if m is equal to minus 1 and 0 if m is not equal to minus 1 and integer. So that is, in that case, if we taking m is equal to 1, so z minus z naught to the power 1 dz is equal to 0. When this closed circle C contain the center 0 and radius rho. Now the example based on this second point. So evaluate the line integral on a closed curve C z minus 2 to the power minus 1 dz such that mod z minus 2 is equal to 5. In that case, here z naught, if we compare this integral with the help of this, so z naught is equal to 2 and m is equal to 1. So this z minus z naught, that is this 2, if we draw the graph of the given closed circle C. So this is a radius of this circle and this is a point z naught is equal to 2. So this value is 2 pi I because m is equal to minus 1. Now the most important theorem based on the complex integration known as the Cauchy theorem. In that case, if fz be an analytic function and f dash z is continuous at each point within and on a closed curve C, then line integral along a curve C fz dz is equal to 0. Now second theorem based on the complex integration, this is a well-known and important theorem when we compute the value of the given complex integration. So in this theorem, if fz be an analytic function within and on a closed curve C, and if z naught be any point within C, then fz naught is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral along a curve C fz upon z minus z naught dz, or we can write this expression into the form of integral along a curve C fz upon z minus z naught dz is equal to 2 pi I f of z naught. That is, this Cauchy integral formula write either f of z naught is equal to in this way, or we write integral along a curve C fz upon z minus z naught dz is equal to 2 pi iota f of z naught. Now, if we taking the questions related to complex integration, so question number one: evaluate the evaluate the complex integral along a closed curve C cos 2 pi z upon 2z minus 1 z minus 3 dz, where C is a closed curve with center 0 and radius 1. So in that case, when we compute the value of the given integral, so let I is equal to integral along a closed curve C cos 2 pi z upon 2z minus 1 z minus 3 dz. So this integral rewritten into the form of 1 upon 2, that is, if we taking 2 common here, then 1 upon 2 cos 2 pi z upon z minus 3 upon z minus 1 upon 2 dz. That is, this 1 upon 2 taking common here, and this z minus 3 is a function, that is cos 2 pi z upon z minus 3. This is a single function, and if we compare this integral with this one, so here f of z is equal to 1 of this 1 upon 2 into this one, so 1 upon 2 cos 2 pi z upon z minus 3, and z naught means z upon z naught. That is, if we compare the integral with the help of this, so fz upon z minus z naught, so here z naught is equal to 1 upon 2, so say this is equation 1. So z naught is 1 upon 2. Since this point z naught laying within the closed contour C, that is z is equal to 1 by 2 laying in the closed contour C, if we define this with the help of the graphical representation, so this is a circle C, and this circle C having the center 0 and radius 1. So radius was 1 means this one, this radius is 1. So here we compute the point z naught is 1 by 2, that is z is equal to z0, and this z0 is 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 laying in this circle C. So in that case, this point laying inside the circle C. So by using the Cauchy integral formula, the given integral 1 I is equal to 2 pi I f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 means this one, this one. If z replaced by 1 by 2, then it will be 1 upon 2 cos 2 pi 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 minus 3, and simplify this expression, then we obtain 2 pi I upon 5. So this is the one problem based on the complex integration. Now the second problem based on the complex integration. Now using the Cauchy integral formula to evaluate the line integral on a closed curve C dz upon z plus pi iota, where C is a closed curve with modulus of z plus 3 iota is equal to 1. That is, center of this closed curve is minus 3 iota and radius is 1. Minus 3 iota laying in the negative direction of the y axis. So here, if we consider I is equal to integral along a curve C 1 upon z plus pi iota dz, and this will be 1 upon z plus pi iota dz. Say this is equation 1. So this is fz. So here f of z is equal to 1, f of z is equal to 1 upon z, and z is equal to z naught, that is z naught is minus pi iota. That is, if we compare this with the help of integral I is equal to fz upon z minus z naught dz, because according to the Cauchy integral formula, f z naught is equal to 1 upon 2 pi iota fz upon z minus z naught dz. So I told you This expression rewritten into the form of integral along a curve C fz upon z minus z naught dz is equal to 2 pi iota into f of z naught. So if we compare the given problem with this standard form, so it will be fz is equal to 1 upon 2 and z is equal to minus pi iota, because value of the pi is minus 3.14, so z is equal to minus 3.14 iota. So the graphical represented, that is, if we check the given point z laying the circle C or not laying the circle C, so in that case uh, z is equal to minus pi, that is minus 3.14 iota. So given circle C, this circle C contain the center minus 3 iota, that is minus 3 iota means this one, and radius of circle is 1, so this radius is 1, so each is 1. So in that case z is equal to minus 3.14, that is minus 3.14, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So in that case this point laying inside this circle C, so using the Cauchy integral formula, so integral I is equal to 2 pi iota f of z naught. Z naught is minus pi iota, and f of z is 1 upon z. So in that case 1 upon minus pi, and simplify this expression we obtain minus 2. Now if we taking the third problem based on the complex integration, evaluate the value of the integral I is equal to line integral along a closed contour C z की power 3 minus 6 upon 3 z plus iota dz, where this closed contour C having center minus 1 minus iota and radius 1. So in that case, first of all locate the, that is compute the graphical representation of the closed contour C. So this is the graphical representation of the closed contour C, and this point is the center, that is this is minus iota, that is minus 1, and this is the radius, so radius is 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, so radius of this circle is 1. So this given integral rewritten into the form of 1 upon 3 integral z की power 3 minus 6 upon z plus iota upon 3, because convert the given integrand function into the form of fz upon z minus z naught. So fz is z की power 3 minus 6 upon z minus z naught. Z naught is minus iota upon 3. So minus iota upon 3, that is first of all we check this point laying inside the circle C or not. So z is equal to minus I upon 3 means minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3 means minus 0.33, minus 0.33 laying in the unit radius of circle C. So in that case this point laying inside the circle C. So using the Cauchy integral formula, so 1 upon 3 2 pi iota f of z naught, z naught is minus iota upon 3, and f of z, here f of z is this one, z cube upon 6, z cube minus 6. So this will be minus iota upon 3 की power 3 minus 6, so 2 pi iota upon 3, and iota की power minus iota की power 3 minus minus iota की power 3. So iota की power 3 is iota square into iota, and iota square is minus 1, so minus minus plus iota upon 3 का power 3 is 27 minus 6, so multiply 2 pi iota upon 3 inside of the bracket, then it will be minus 2 pi upon 81 minus 4 pi iota. So this is the detailed procedure uh, how to apply the Cauchy integral formula, or simply Cauchy formula, in the complex integration. Now the next part of this complex integration, and the next theorem based on the complex integration known as the Cauchy integral formula for derivatives. Cauchy integral formula for derivatives means let f of z be an analytic function in a simply connected region D, and C be a closed curve C be a closed curve in a region D, and Z naught is any point in C. Then the nth order derivative of f at point z naught is equal to n factorial upon 2 pi iota integral along a closed curve c fz upon z minus z naught to the power n plus 1 dz. That is, this expression rewritten into the form of integral along a closed curve C fz upon z minus z naught to the power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi iota upon n factorial nth derivative of f at point z naught. So if we put n is equal to 1, so in particular we obtain the first derivative of f at point z naught is equal to 1 factorial is 1 upon 2 pi iota integral along a closed curve c fz upon z minus z naught whole square dz, because 1 plus 1, that is power 2 dz. Now explain the Cauchy integral formula for derivative with the help of a question. Now question is, evaluate the complex integral along a closed curve C sin z upon z minus pi upon 4 to the power 3 dz, where C is a closed curve with center pi upon 4 and radius 1, that is this one. This is the graphical representation. This is center pi upon 4 and radius of this circle C is 1. So let given integral I is equal to this one, which is represented by equation 1, and if we compare this equation with the help of the standard Cauchy integral formula for the derivative, because here power is more than 1, greater than 1, so in that case here using the Cauchy integral formula for derivative, so here fz is equal to sin z and z minus z naught की power n plus 1, so here n is equal to 2, so in that case this function differentiate twice, so f dash z is equal to cos z and f double dash z is equal to minus sin z. So using Cauchy integral formula for derivative, so line integral along a closed curve c fz upon z minus z naught to the power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi iota upon n factorial nth order derivative of f at point z naught. So therefore integral along a closed curve c sin z upon z minus pi upon 4 to the power 2 plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi iota upon 2 iota, and second derivative of f at point z is equal to pi upon 4. So simplify this expression and we obtain minus pi iota upon root 2. Now for your knowledge, compute the complex integral along a closed curve c e की power 3 iota z upon z plus pi to the power 3 dz, where this c is a closed curve having center pi and radius 16 upon 5. So this is the fundamental of complex integral. Thank you.